What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? Oh, we got the little photo bomber here. Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today is a very exciting video because we have the first official mod coming on to the BMW M235i that I recently bought. And let's take a look. Got the car over here actually. What is this box on the trunk? Well, these are IND color matched reflectors. Don't worry, I took out all the wrapping in the ceiling that they were protected in. They don't come just like this in the box. They actually have a lot of shrink wrap and like bubble wrap to protect them. But yes, let's get right into it. You can see these reflectors are perfectly color matched. Very, very impressed with the quality of them actually. So obviously my car is Astoro Blue Metallic. These reflectors are Astoro Blue. And the original ones are this nasty orange looking color and they really stick out like a sore thumb. So it's about time we get these bad boys replaced. So side note, these are actually OEM BMW reflectors. Oops, it's upside down, but I don't know if you guys can see that. BMW logo, the roundel is embossed into the plastic right there. And yeah, really high quality, very impressed. First thing we're gonna do to access the reflectors is loosen these 3 plastic rivets for the fender liner so that we can get access to the back of the reflector. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. You're gonna need an 8mm, I believe, and from there you can pull the fender liner out just enough to where you can get your hand behind the reflector. So we finally got, well, correction, Rod got the original reflector out. This thing was a fucking bitch to take out. It was not easy, but Rod, he made it look easy, you know?
I did.
So I think theoretically these just pop right in and you really don't have to do anything else after that. So let's go ahead and find out here. So we're gonna align this. Hopefully I aligned it up right. There we go.
Ooh, that snapped in.
And voila, ladies and gentlemen. Reflector on this side is now in. No damage or anything was harmed on this car. So anyway guys, we just finished up the other side and man, these look fantastic. It actually makes such a big difference to the front end and the overall car, the appearance of it. Really pleased and satisfied with the fitment. The color matched Astoro Blue looks really nice and it blends in incredibly well. And following this, I'm going to give you guys some before and after clips just for your reference, but that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't a really big mod or anything, more a subtle, tasteful sort of upgrade to the car, but plenty of things are going to be coming on this M235i, so stay tuned. I'm really excited. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I will catch you all in the next one. Later.